Hello, my name is Ashley, and I'm from the UCLA Carceral Ecologies Lab. In this video, I'll be going over the initial death review and reporting procedure that occurs by the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department after an in-custody death. I'll also explain some of the documentation that's completed by the Sheriff's Department after a death as well. The forms that are discussed in this video are all legal forms that you are entitled to and can help in the process of understanding what's happened to your loved one. We have resources on how to request these documents in the next video. So there's two really important departments when it comes to the death review process of somebody who's passed away in an LA County jail. The first is the Custody Compliance and Sustainability Bureau, also known as the CCSB. They're responsible for managing the department's suicide prevention and safety protocols. They also track and respond to all incarcerated people's deaths. The CCSB conducts a review of the death immediately after it occurs, and they also do another review both 7 days and 30 days after the initial incident as well. The second really important department is the watch commander. And essentially, the watch commander is the person who oversees the entire jail. They're responsible for notifying everyone of an in-jail death, and in addition to this, they're the person who completes the initial documentation that lays out the sheriff's department's perspective on the incident. I'll go into more detail on this in the next slide. So here's sort of a brief timeline of events that happens when somebody has passed away. First, the watch commander will immediately conduct a brief initial review of the circumstances surrounding the death in a form called the Office Correspondence Form. In addition to this, they'll also complete the watch commander's in custody death reporting form, which is sent to the CCSB's death review team. It includes information such as the name, race, arrest charges, circumstances surrounding the death, a summary of the incident, and any possible witness interviews. It's more of an in-depth account of the incident than the previous form. Lastly, the CCSB completes a form called the Custody Compliance and Sustainability Bureau's In Custody Death Reporting Form, which is their perspective on the case. Again, it's really important to remember that all these documents are from the perspective of the Sheriff's Department and can have their influence. Thank you so much for your attention, and all of this information in this video was taken from the Custody Division Manual, Volume 4, Reporting and Notification Procedures. Please look over this document if there's any confusion, and a link to it will be provided in the description of this video. And so to recap, we went over the initial process of what occurs directly after an in-custody death and the documents that are completed afterwards. And in the next video entitled Requesting Documents, Sienna will tell you how to request some of these documents from the LA Sheriff's Department. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm wishing you and your family peace and comfort during this difficult time.